What'd you do?
I got a few, but God, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold out here. Have a good day. How you doing? Come on.
Sorry, thank you.
Oh, you're fine.
Thank you.
Go warm up, huh?
Yeah.
Be good. Real fuel's 24. Freezing cold out here, guys. You come out here like this, be prepared. Don't come out here and take it lightly. It can be dangerous. Alrighty, guys. Freezing temperatures. Guadalupe River in the waders. Good Lord, please keep us from falling in today. It'll be cold, it'll be miserable, and the day will end just like it did last time. And I barely got water in my waders the last time, and it wasn't nearly as cold. Let's keep it dry this time, keep it clean, and come out fighting. All right, Mr. Trout. Show me what it's all about. There's one. Got him. Feels like a stalker running for the rocks. Come on, friend. It's enough acrobats. It's a nice fish. He's a thick little guy. Beautiful little trout there, guys. Absolutely gorgeous trout. Look at that. Beautiful spots. Let's send him back. There he goes. One thing to be real careful about: when you walk across these rocks, you'll start to create that big mud stir. When you walk back through there, you're not going to know where you're going. Do not walk off one of these ledges. You'll be crying. And I won't even laugh at you. I'll be crying with you, man, because that can be extremely dangerous. It's a lot of fun up and through here, but there's a lot of danger as well, and people don't realize it until they're in it, in that danger zone. Be careful. All right, we cut off and retied. We went a little lighter and a little brighter. Lighter and brighter is the combination, I think, that might help us get bit out here on this miserably cold January 2025 date. Yep, had him. Got excited. That's a winner right there, guys. Just hold on tight. We're about to get bit. There's one. Got him. That's a nicer fish. Feel that head just moving from side to side. It's not a giant, but it sure ain't small either. Don't get too ornery on me, darling. Come on in and say hello. Hey, I said come in and say hello. I'm not gonna remind you. Look at that beauty, guys. As cold as it is, if you're gonna grab these trout, make sure you wet your hands first, please. Please and thank you. Look at that big old beautiful lady. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous trout. Let's send her off. There she goes. Back down to the depth. Man, my hands are frozen. Like ice skating through here. Go right along the edge of this rock here. There's one. It's a bigger fish. A little bigger. Hey, chill. Beautiful, beautiful trout, guys. What a good looking, chunky little fella. There she goes. It's too pretty not to have a couple of trout laying in there. Well, they want to eat the brighter and lighter offering. This freezing cold weather. Come on, Mr. Trout, feel sorry for me, will you? Please. I have no idea how many fish we caught today, guys, but I know it was more than I deserve. Really enjoyed my time out here. I am freezing my damn balls off, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. If nothing else, realize coming out here in this kind of weather on the river, you must be absolutely out of your mind. Anyway, guys, we'll see you on the next one. We'll talk to you soon. Aqua out.